Right, we are at Trot Cafe and we're going to have a coffee in a minute or something like that, and then we're going to rent one of these cars. So we should be able to rent one of them and have a little drive around, which will be pretty cool. Right, we had a look at the cars and I struggle to fit in them. So I think my wife's going to be driving and I'll be sat in the back. But we are going to do it, but we're going to go get a drink first. But this place is lovely. This is the golf course behind us. Cafe up here. Right, so we've ordered a drink and we both have a nice dark chocolate. All the stuff was blown on the floor, but never mind. But yeah, nice dark chocolate. Let's see what they taste like. Okay, let's give it a go. That's pretty good. I like that. Quite sweet, but yeah, pretty good. Oh, there were horses here. We've obviously taken them. Hello horsies. So we are off to go and drive a little electric go-karty classic car looking thing around this place. Cool. So that's what we're going to drive in, that little buggy there. Cool, wish us luck. She's having fun. It is good fun. It's not the fastest, but it's nice. Oh, some people playing golf. Quiet. Golfing. Right, we are both in the car now, and we tried to go a different way, that path there, and we were told we can't, we got in trouble. So we're going to head back and, I don't know, see where else we can go. We've got about 20 minutes left, I think. There we go. So this is alright, this is 600 baht, is that right, for 30 minutes? So 600 baht for 30 minutes in one of these small ones. They have got the big two-seater, like side-by-side cars. I think they were 1,200 baht. For 30 minutes, I think it's pretty good actually. It's a lovely, beautiful place to drive around. So I think, yeah, worth spending the money. Obviously there's two of you, because that's only 300 baht each, right? So yeah, it's all good. But yeah, if you come out this way to Khao Yai and you come to this ranch, which is Rancho Chan V. So Rancho Chan V is the place, and the cafe is called Trot Cafe. You rent these cars in the car park, basically where you park up. It's lovely. Must admit, this hotel here looks absolutely beautiful. I need to check how much it costs to stay here. We're actually not staying here, we're staying somewhere else. Don't know where because she hasn't told me. So that's a bit of a surprise today. Although coming here was a bit of a surprise today, so it's been quite nice. But yeah, this will be a nice place to stay, especially if you are a golfer, because obviously you've got your golf course, which is great. Unfortunately, don't golf. I do drive little electric cars though. So that was the end of our little trip in that little car there. It is now starting to rain, so we are going to be heading now to our hotel. Fingers crossed it stops raining later, because hoping to hit the pool. Right, to the next place. So this is the Atta Hotel. I have never stayed before, but so far, first impressions, this is pretty nice. We're just checking in and hopefully get to our room in a minute. Not sure how it works. It's okay. And that's fine. Getting a little drink first. This is the lobby. Coming down here, it looks very, very nice, very well done. Not sure why I'm staying here. Christ. I guess, yeah, if this is where my wife wants to stay, then this is where we're staying. Okay, so this is where we're going to have breakfast, and this is where you also have a swim. So everything's in one spot, which is fantastic. We're in building 5, I've been told, which is not far from here, and we're on the 2nd floor. And if that's anything to go by up there, it's going to be quite nice. I think this lady here has done very well with booking us. Although, well, how do we get that house? How do we stay there next time?
I don't know.
Isn't this a lovely little swimming pool area? Yeah. Fantastic. That's right, off to the room, right? Okay, so we've come to our building number 5. Got met by these lovely gentlemen who work here carrying up our bags. And we're going to get a lift up to the 2nd floor. Which one? 5204. 5204. It's that one. 5204. We are here. Oh wow, we've got a full living room. Oh my word. So, this is first look at the place. We've got a kitchen. We've got a sofa, TV, bedroom,
And a balcony.
bathroom, and then yeah, I'm going to put my bags down. We've also got oh my word. Well, this isn't a bad place to spend a night then, is it? What a fantastic place. My wife has done amazingly well. Okay, we are down at the pool. Hey! Haven't been in yet. Gonna get in now. Let's dip the feet in. Ooh, it's chilly. It's not too bad. So I'm gonna get in and have a swim. Wow, have to say this pool's lovely, isn't it? Really nice. Water's not too cold, it's not too warm, it's kind of perfect. Yeah, I'll get used to this. Although sadly only one day here, back home tomorrow, but I'll enjoy this view and this pool while I can. Right, swim is done and we're going back to the room now to figure out what we're going to do for dinner. We are contemplating eating here or trying to find something not too far, but take a drive and find somewhere. Either way, it's probably going to be good food. It always is in Khao Yai. I will say the food in the hotel is not exactly the cheapest, but I'm sure it is delicious. But we'll see what happens. But yeah, it's a lovely swim in a lovely location. And then tomorrow we're off to the national park in the hope to see some elephants. And now I've said that, there's a chance that we're probably not going to see any elephants at all. Probably monkeys, maybe some deer if we're lucky. You can see elephants there, but I've been there twice and never seen one. So let's see. But going back to the room now, get changed and think about dinner. I'm back in the room now. We went out for a drive to look for some food, and my wife ended up getting some fish with some rice. And before we came back, we stopped off at the hotel restaurant, picked up a pizza so we can eat on the balcony. So that's what I'm going to do now, and I'll let you know how that pizza is. Dinner's been eaten. Pizza was actually really good. It was about 10 quid though, which is a lot in Thailand, but it was a very nice pizza. My wife said the fish was lovely. So now sat on the sofa, gonna have a little bit of a chill out, go to bed, wake up, breakfast, swim, national park. Good night, everyone. Right, well, good morning, everyone. It is a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful day. And yes, I am here. Had a very nice sleep last night, actually. Bed was comfy, pillows were good, climate was, yeah, can't really complain in total. This hotel's been really, really, really nice. So gonna go down for some breakfast in a minute. I'll let you know how that is, but yeah, morning. Okay, we are in Khao Yai National Park. We've just paid the entrance fee, 400 if you're a foreigner and 60 baht if you're a Thai.
40.
Sorry, 40 baht if you're a Thai. They do have dual pricing, it is what it is. Definitely worth it though, because it's absolutely stunning. We're going to go to a viewpoint in a minute, and right now we're stuck behind a cyclist. We are now at the Saison Reservoir in Khao Yai National Park. We've done about 25 kilometres into the park already, I think. About that. Done a viewpoint. Stopped off here because it is beautiful. We'll take you down and show you what it looks like. We are now at the Khao Suat, right? Khao Suat? Khao Suat waterfall, which is the one they used in The Beach with Leonardo DiCaprio. So we're going to walk down and go and see that waterfall. I have been here before and it is very beautiful. 200 metres. Let's hope so. Right, this picture is what the waterfall's meant to look like, and here is what the waterfall looks like now. There's no water. It is the height of the summer. There's been little rainfall, so a bit of a shame. It is stunning when it's going, but we're not going to walk any further down because, well, there's no water. So it's time to leave.